Hello guys, back to the video. So today I came across an interesting question. It's an Olympiad question which is presented above. It states that a plus b is equals to 1, a square plus b square is equals to 2. They are asking the value of a power 11 plus b power 11. So let's starting with the basics. So we are going to a plus b is 1, it's given. So we will be squaring on both sides. It will be still 1. So a square plus b square plus 2ab equals 1. We know that this value is 2. It's given in the question. So we could write 2 plus 2ab equals 1. So 2ab equals minus 1. ab equals minus 1 by 2. We'll write it aside. ab equals minus 1 by 2. Right? Now, so a plus b equals to 1. We will be whole cubing on both sides. So it becomes a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b according to the expansion, which is equals to 1. So we know this value, it is minus half and it is 1. So we will simply substitute it a cube plus b cube plus minus 3 by 2 into 1 equals 1. This implies that a cube plus b cube equals 1 plus 3 by 2, which is equals 5 by 2. Another value, I'm going to note it down here. A cube plus b cube is 5 by 2, guys. And a square plus b square is 2. A plus b is 1. Okay. Now moving towards. So the question is asked in terms of a power 11 and b power 11. So ultimately we have to convert these powers in terms of 11. So we could split these terms as 11 into 5 and 6. Can we do that? So for bringing 5, we will be multiplying a square terms and a cube terms. It also includes b cube terms also. For bringing this term, we will be simply whole cubing, or like we could whole cube either a square plus b square, or instead we could do squaring on both sides of a cube and b cube. So going towards this 5 power terms, so a square plus b square multiplied by a cube plus b cube is 2 into 5 by 2. Cancel the 2's. It implies a cube a square plus a square b cube plus b square a cube plus b square b cube equals 5. This term here, it indicates a power 5 plus b power 5 plus. In these two terms, we could take a square plus b square, or like we could take a plus b common. So if we take a plus b common plus b, the remaining would be ab the whole square. Am I right? Equals 5. We know this value, it's 1. This one is minus 1 by 2. If we whole square it, it would be 1 by 4. So a square plus a power 5 plus b power 5 plus 1 by 4 equals 5. Therefore, a power 5 plus b power 5 equals, this can be written as 20 by 4. So 20 minus 1 by 4 equals 19 by 4. Is your another value. It's another value. Note it down. And these are some other set basic values which you're calculating with. Next. Now we will be calculating, Then we are now supposed to calculate a power 6 and b power 6, so that we could multiply these two terms and find the value of a power 11 plus b power 11. So this term would be a cube plus b cube the whole square. We could go through this, or we can also do a square plus b square the whole cube. Anything you can do, that's your wish. So this term would be a power 6 plus b power 6 plus 2a cube b cube equals, we already know that a cube plus b cube is 5/2. Am I right? So whole squaring here too, a power 6 plus b power 6 plus here 2 into ab the whole cube is 25/4. This term becomes, so what is it guys, this term ab, we know that it's -1/2. So if we whole cube on both sides, this term becomes 1/8. So a power 6 plus b power 6 plus 1/4, because it gets cancelled with 2, it becomes 1/4 equals 25/4. Subtracting it, taking to the RHS and subtracting it, a power 6 plus b power 6 becomes, just a minute guys, this would be minus just because this thing is minus. If you whole cube -1/2, this becomes minus, my bad. So it becomes -1/4. If you take two RHS, it becomes positive, ultimately adding, that is 26/4. Okay, so we know two values, a power 6 plus b power 6, 26/4, and a power 5 plus b power 5 is, what is it, 19/4. Now we will simply multiply these two terms, multiplying a power 6 plus b power 6 into a power 5 plus b power 5, which gives 26/4 into 19/4. Okay, multiplying it, a power 6 a power 5 plus a power 6 b power 5 plus b power 6 a power 5 plus b power 6 b power 5 equals 19 into 26. So 26 into 20 would be 520. So minus 494/16. Okay, this would be a power 11 plus b power 11, and seeing these two terms, we could take ab power 5 the common and a plus b. Okay, this could be simplified as 247/8, dividing both sides by 2. So a power 11 plus b power 11. So this term is ab power 5. So ab is -1/2. As power is odd, the ultimate answer would be in negative. So -1/32. If you whole power 5, 1/32 multiplied by 1 is 247/8. So a power 11 plus b power 11 comes as 247/8 plus 1/32. You could further do some manipulations, or instead what you could do, divide up and down by 4. 247/8 plus 0.25 by 8, which implies your answer is 247.25 by 8. This would be your final answer. If you want to be more precise, you could divide by 8, or instead you could convert this term into fraction. You can 24725 divided by 800 will be your answer, guys. So hope you liked this. This was an Olympiad question, so it's pretty interesting. It's not that difficult. It's all about manipulating the question and interpreting it. So this was it, guys. Let's meet in next video. Thank you, guys.